Good evening, everyone. I am Vaishnavi Vaiti from Kirin Advisors. Welcome to the virtual roadshow of Durlax Top Surface Limited. Today, we will provide a brief overview of Durlax Top Surface Limited into manufacturing industry. Durlax Top Surface Limited manufactures premium solid surface materials as its state-of-the-art facility in Vapi, India, equipped with cutting-edge German and South Korean technologies. Known for its brands Luxure and Aspron, the company offers stylish and durable acrylic UV solid surfaces and versatile modified solid surfaces. Their product serves diverse industries including residential, commercial, hospitality, and healthcare, providing high quality solutions for country tops, vanities, office spaces, and outdoor projects worldwide. From the management team, we have Mr. Shravan Suthar, Chairman and Managing Director. Hello, sir. Welcome.
Yeah, hi. Thank you for having me. So, I'm
Have
here
I
to talk
able to
about my
listen?
company, Durlax.
Yes, sir. You can go
Yeah,
forward.
can I? Yeah. So, I'm here to talk about my company, Durlax. Uh, so, Durlax Top Surface Limited. We've started this company in 2010, and since then we are marketing our two main brands, Luxor and Aspiron, into the market. And uh, we've been growing and we've got a very healthy network across India. And also in 2016-17, we started manufacturing in our Vapi plant. So we've been manufacturing Luxor and Aspiron since 2018 early onwards in our state-of-the-art facility in Vapi, which is a very state of the art and a lot of innovative products are being developed there. Yeah, you want me to continue ahead?
Can we start with the presentation?
Yeah, I think so. We can start with the presentation.
Okay.
So these are some of the key highlights of our company. We've been into the business for more than 14 years now, and we've got a good expertise team of 60 plus team members. Uh, we are available across pan India. We're also exporting our material to multiple countries, and we are actively promoting our products in a lot of trade fairs related to building decor industry. India, and as well as in the export markets. We've got a good range of colors and thicknesses available with us. Our capacity also is, around 240,000 units installed capacity. We've got more than 16 distributors active in country. Uh, Last year, we've been able to achieve 90 crores plus of revenue and a part of 5 crores plus. So, yeah, next. So this is the image of our setup in Vapi. This is spread across 5.5 acres, and our shade area is also approximately 60,000 odd square feet. We've got our machines, equipments from Germany and South Korea, which is again a very we've been very quality conscious about where and how we get our manufacturing machineries procured. We've got a next. So we've got a good experienced management team. which is majorly looked after by myself and Mr. Lalit Sutar, and we've been backed with our experienced uh, team members who've been working with us for a good number of years. Next. So these are our two brands which we usually promote, and Luxor is kind of a premium, and Aspiron is an entry level product. Luxor is made out of a chemistry of ATH, aluminum trihydrate, and MMA PMMA combination, and Aspiron is made out of ATH and polyester resin chemistry. Next. So these are some of the applications of our product, which happens across a variety of industries like retail spaces to hospitality to healthcare to airports and many other applications. Next. 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 So this is how our geographical penetration in India is shown our business numbers. Maharashtra numbers seems to be a little higher because a lot of business which happens, a lot of uh, manufacturers, the furniture manufacturers are based out of Maharashtra. They do buy from us, and that's why the number seems to be a little higher in Maharashtra. But they eventually supply the product across pan India. Next. So we've continued to keep on innovating and adding new product categories. In continue to do so in future also, and we've very actively working on expanding our distribution across India and globally. Uh, we've got a good experienced team working full time on these expansion plans. Marketing is also very professionally handled. And we are actively, as mentioned earlier, looking to increase our brand visibility uh, in all major markets for us. These are the key financials of the company. As you can see, we've been growing every year. These are the key ratios. Next. 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 Yeah. Next. So the overall objective of the issue is raising working capital requirement, fulfilling working capital requirement, and general corporate purpose. Next. These are our Export Global is our merchant banker, and the PNB is our bank. This is the team which has been involved into the IPO side. These are the contacts. Thank you. I am open to have more questions now.
Thank you, sir. We will start with the Q&A session. I will request all participants to post your questions in the comment box. So first question is from Arav Banerjee. What are the key differentiators between Aspiron and Luxure product lines?
So Aspiron and Luxor basic chemistry is different, though the product behavior is similar. but Luxor has more features in terms of it being blend. You can give any shape if you are able to bend it with thermoforming, and basically the Luxor is kind of a premium offering. The We also offer 10 years of warranty, limited warranty for Luxor. Aspiron is polyester chemistry, and Luxor is an acrylic chemistry. That's the basic difference between both the products. They also have price differences, and we see more demand for Luxor. Yeah, that's the difference.
Okay, next question. Prashant Shah, how do you plan to fulfill the EPCG export requirements?
So we've been actively working to promote our product internationally, and we've got good response. And I we are very confident that the requirements will be taken care.
Okay, next question. Anandi Mittal, how do your products compare to competitors offering in terms of quality, price, and design flexibility?
So the competitors' point of view, if you are comparing with the import stuff, our product is similar or better in terms of the quality. Pricing, obviously, we have being a local manufacturer, obviously have an advantage because anything which is getting imported is going to attract a little higher value. So yes, the price gives us the edge, and design flexibility is absolutely at par with any international brand. We've got good color choice, and same time, the good part is that if someone wants to have any custom color made by any imported company, import brand, that can be done. If that will take its own time, whereas we being local, the lead time is much shorter, and we are more flexible in those terms.
Okay, next question. Bharti Agarwal, what is the current capacity utilization of your manufacturing facility?
So we are currently operating at 70% capacity utilization.
Next question. Anurag Shah, how do you assess the current market demand for your products in both domestic and international markets?
So, as you can see, our numbers for last 3 years, the demand is pretty much there for our product in domestic market, and it continues to grow. So, because since being available in the market for last 14 years, I think our brand visibility is finally paying off, and also the demand for our kind of a product is ever increasing because of the new age requirements of being antibacterial and scratch resistant, and all lot of new parameters in terms of hygiene have been set up after COVID. So those also do help us in selling our product, and similar demands also in the international market. It's just that international market takes a little time to the buyers take little time to give little bigger orders, but once they are satisfied with our quality services, I'm sure we'll be able to get those numbers also clocking very fast.
Thank you. Next question. Prashant Shah, what is the price difference between your products and Stylum products?
So I think our pricing are in some products in the similar range, and some products there is a difference. In some we are higher, and some I think some they might be higher. So, but uh, I think we are much stronger in the domestic market. That's what my understanding is.
Okay. Next question. Subodh Joshi, are there any plans to expand production capacity or upgrade existing facilities to meet future demand?
So yes, we do have future plans, but for the expansion and adding new capacity is on consideration. But we'll the board will decide on it maybe in coming year.
Right.
Okay, next question. Arundhati Kapila. Can you elaborate on advanced technologies from Germany and South Korea used in your manufacturing process?
Yeah. So the technology German. So we've got a German mixer basically. So what happens is that when we all know that German mixers or the German technology are very precise. Number one, and they have a very long shelf life, or you can say long, uh, long and healthy life of the machine. So the machines are precise. Those kind of things help us in setting up. Those kind of machines do help us in quality control and in getting our best product out in the market. South Korean is a technology where we bought our casting line from there, and that's only one of its kind in India. We've got the stainless steel belt, which the South Koreans supply, and all the other big brands in our market also have the same supply. So we've been able to match the we've rather tried to match the international standards of our competitors.
Okay. Next question. Arjun Verma. Are there any emerging trends in the solid surface material industry that you are capitalizing on?
So yeah, the as we are into the premium decor market kind of a product, so the trends do uh, we do keep the upcoming trends in the uh, market in our mind and in our strategies. So we do keep on adapting to that because every 2 years, for example, the grays would do better, and suddenly the beiges will do better, and suddenly the terrazos will come in. So all those things do we do keep in mind.
Okay. Next question. Priyanka Salunke. How do you plan to stay competitive in this rapidly evolving market?
Yeah, by continuously innovating and adapting to the market demands is what we will help us keeping up with the evolving market. And we are since we are in experienced enough to understand the trends.
Next question. Rahul Jain. How do you ensure that quality and cost effectiveness of the raw materials sourced from South Korea, China, and local suppliers?
So we do we do use similar raw materials. What any South Korean or a Chinese manufacturer would be using. So that is what helps us maintain the quality and cost effectiveness is we've worked very extensively on our R&D and tried to Indianize our supplies, and that is how we've kept it cost effective as well. So
So can we go ahead with next question?
yeah,
Sir, can we move forward with next question?
yes.
Next question, please. Prem Singhania. What strategies do you have in place to mitigate risks related to supply chain disruptions?
What strategy you have in place in mitigate risk related to supply chain disruptions? So I think supply chain disruptions is something which is not unique to only our company. It is going to be similarly affecting a lot of companies which are there. And I think the best way is to keep adapting to the overall uh, scenario in terms of future planning and plan it better, have enough raw material ordered, and luckily we have enough order books to do so. So I think that is something which we have been doing in the past also, and we can continue to do so. Yeah. Next question.
Next question. Navya Bhatnagar, how do you manage and control production cost, particularly in terms of raw material procurement involved freight costs?
So yeah, I think since we've got a major range of our product is pretty standardized in terms of colors and thickness for the particular year, in terms of the collection what we are usually marketing for those 1 or 1.5 year every each year in rotation. So that does help in planning and managing the overall production cost. And same time, the since we've invested very wisely into equipments and machineries which are kind of not too much of labor intensive, so that does helps us in controlling the cost. Next question.
Devesh Purohit, can you provide details on your cost saving initiatives such as use of effluent treatment plant of water recycling?
So we don't have any liquid waste coming out of our production process, so we don't need any serious effluent treatment plant as of now for recycling.
Okay, next
Thank you.
question. Chaitali Dev, are there any recent improvements or future plans to enhance operational efficiency and reduce cost?
Yeah, this is something which any company is always keeping on working, and yes, we also uh, would always be working on operation efficiency and cost reduction. That's how the margins get better, and we are always actively looking at it.
Next question. Anjali Yadav, are there any new international markets you are targeting?
Yeah, we are targeting the American market and the Middle East market majorly. And yeah,
Okay, next
next
question.
question.
Priyanka Salunke, can you discuss any new products or innovations in the pipeline?
So we do have a new brand which is coming up. We are working on it, and once we finalize and decide the marketing and the collection, we will definitely put it across in the market. Next question.
Next question. Anjali Yadav, are there any new international markets? Sorry. Next
I
question.
think we've been through this question.
Yes, yes. Ananya Swaminathan, are there any new markets or product lines that you are planning to explore?
So for the coming year, we are planning to enter into new markets for sure internationally. And for the new product lines, as of now, for the next year, we will continue to work on maximizing our capacity utilization.
Okay.
Thank
Next
you. Next
question.
question. Next question.
I think we have covered majority of questions. Thank you everyone and thank you
Okay.
Shravan sir. All the best for the IPO.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Thank you. Thank you.